As you can see, the bus is completely chocker. Good morning from Bhaktapur, not too far outside of Kathmandu. It's more or less a satellite city. It's less than an hour even to get here, but it's a very important city. It's very old, very historical, and there's lots of very old interesting buildings. It was established and built in around 1600 AD, and it's considered the abode or the pinnacle of Nepalese culture. Anyway, we're about to go into the centre of the old city. It starts just down here. It's quite early in the morning, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's just starting their businesses, opening up their shops. Even the dogs are still asleep. But this is where it starts. Oh yeah, let's go and have a look at this place. This is one thing that Bhaktapur is also known for, is the curd or the yogurt that it makes. They boil the milk and they take it up onto the rooftops and they put a little bit of yogurt into the boiled milk and they put blankets on top of it. Very delicious. But anyway, as you can see, still quite early, not too much traffic, so hopefully we'll avoid the tourists. As you can see, a lot of old buildings starting down here. Very intricate designs on the carvings, on the statues. And check out all the carvings, the intricate carvings on the windows everywhere. Check that guy out. You can see a blend of old and new where things have had to be reconstructed. There's also lots of little cafes doing burgers, local food. Okay, so here's another one doing that king curd. And another thing you'll notice here, you'll notice they've got Nepalese, but they also have Tibetan. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Hello, namaste. Have you got a small yogurt, small king curd? So these curds, they come in a little... Alright, thank you. Yeah. So you see it comes in a little clay pot, what you just throw away afterwards. So that's 45 rupees. 5, yeah. Have you got a spoon? And they sell it in different sizes. They've got different size clay pots up there. Alright, thank you. Yeah, sit down. Check that out. It's really nice. It's actually sweet plain yogurt. They all put sugar in it and it's good for breakfast. Nice. Thank you. Sunglasses back on. Down here is Durbar Square. It's the main square, Durbar, like the palace, but it's pretty wild. Some incredible architecture here. We've got all these big bells. Let's give this a clang. Ah, nice. That looks like an old public water facility for washing. Check out the size of that buffalo there. Are you okay?
Local guide to visit here.
No, I'm alright. I'm making a video. It's okay. Dogs are still asleep. Loads of guys hanging around. I think they want to be guides. So here we are, there you go, see Bhaktapur. This is the main gate. Horrendous, it's like $8, $9 and nobody else pays. Look at these guys just coming through. But anyway, check it out, it's pretty wild in here. This is a school and they got some pretty wild sculptures. Check out those little ladies. They even come out every morning and put flowers on their heads. But basically you pay 1500 rupees just to come in this square here. But in Nepal you have to pay to do anything nice you want to do. If you want to go into the countryside, if you want to come into a square like this, there's always a fee. But the good thing is you can come in here at night time after about 6 o'clock and there is no fee. Looks like water comes out there. Over here we've got the museum. But again, we've got the big pieces of wood leaning the building up in case it collapses. Check out these guys, they're huge. Look how big these are. Check out the size of that. But they've made whatever they can. They've made them into like restaurants and cafes. And they've padlocked all the bells so you can't give them a clang. That's pretty wild. It's got little steps. Are they steps going inside? Like steps inside and a little hatch door. Here's another public water facility. Let's have a look down here. But they have these all over the place, and this is where you come in the mornings to do your washing. Do your washing down here, put all your stuff up here. Could even take a shower if you want, if no one's looking. But even here, even round the water, well, dragons and then gods. Wild. Must have taken them like such a long time to do all this. I mean, even round here, even round the foundation, you got all these little carved tiles, and then up on the top it's all wood, and it's real solid wood. Check out these, like real solid wooden logs, really intricate. Wild. Check out that guy. So everything's padlocked. Tiny little doors. Can't get inside there. And that one up there, that's under reconstruction. So there, bit of renovation going on there. Wooden carvings. And then you got all these deities. Don't know who that guy is, but he's got 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. Another eye. Check this guy out. It's not the same guy as the other side. And then all these little symbols. Let's have a look in here. And these have been painted onto the bricks. And these are the prayer wheels. You see a lot of these in Tibet, and they're all around, and they just walk around going like this. They even put that red dye above the door and the gods' heads. They love putting that red dye everywhere. I don't know which way they're supposed to spin. Maybe this way. I have no idea what all these little symbols indicate. Switch. I need to turn the light on. Little bell. It's just all over the wall. All the decorations, the carvings, the schools. Wow. A dragon. Check out that guy. Wow. Nice. Pear. And that looks like Shiva's fork. Anyway, let's go around this other side because there's another big square around here. Temple under reconstruction. Sometimes you walk around and you'll see like a big lump of stone just like sticking out of the floor, and it'll have that red dye, red paste all over it.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You okay?
I'm okay.
Sir, welcome to Nepal.
Okay. Not today, I'm okay, thank you. All right, thank you.
It's really good for you.
Yeah.
It's not costly, only 10.
All right, all right. Check out all these. These are old.
Excuse me, sir?
Very old courtyard. I'm staying over by the bus station. Got quite a nice, cheap, clean room, and there's plenty of cheap restaurants over there. And again, we have another square here. Is this also Durbar Square? Durbar Square, Durbar Square. Okay, thank you. Massive. Let's go and have a look up here. See again, there's a bit of stone. You have to be careful you don't trip up on them. The size of that elephant. Wow. Hello, namaste. Little gods. Wow. There's this guy. Just waiting for free money, isn't he? You can even see they put the blankets on the elephants, and again you can see flowers even round the bottom, vines on the floor. That was a big tree, wasn't it? So I presume they put all these together for when they have festivals. Look like big wheels over there. This I think is quite important, this one, because I see a lot of people coming to pray over here. Got your incense burning. They like to touch all the gold. Nice. Bang. Check out the lion and the Nepalese flag. That's weird that there they got like loads of plastic flowers. This is being reconstructed. You can see like the different colour. That's more new and that's very old. Look, even in the steps there, the wild architecture. So again, this must be a little shrine. Looks like the old market area. Crumbling building behind me, a few chickens, but again they got the block of stone on the floor.
We worship the god in front of the house as a Kumar, but
In short form, we believe God in stone is in the form of stone and wood.
And this gives a blessing to people when they go through. Yeah. So are you working here?
She is working for this
reconstruction.
Yeah,
okay.
reconstruction.
So she's touching the stone and then touching her head. Check out the cables there. Namaste. What do you call these? Gurkhas?
Yes.
Gurkhas. Is it sharp? For shaving?
No, sir.
Oh.
It's decoration, only decoration.
Decoration only. I could use it in the kitchen for watermelon. Can't take it on the aeroplane. They lock me up. Mad. There's another one there, check that one out. Snakes. More snakes. Wow. Art shop. Check out that guy. Wow. Hi, okay.
So something like this size, sir, it almost took him like about 4 months. That's a green Tara, sir.
And how long did this one take?
So it's almost 11 months.
Wow. Who would buy something like this?
So mostly such kinds of painting, like such kind of huge size painting, it goes at a monastery. And
Maybe in another country?
Yeah, another country.
Okay.
The Tibet, China.
Wow. What's the name of the shop?
So it's a Lama Thangka painting school.
Lama Tanga?
Yeah.
Okay, good morning.
So they are some
Wow.
of our senior master painters from our school. And this one here, sir. So that's
This is made from the coloured sand.
yeah. And this design of the mandala, it was designed by His Holiness Dalai Lama. So those are the Tibetan scripts, which is for the well-being of every living beings in the universe. Mostly the Thangka art, so they are always based on the philosophy of Buddhism. Okay.
All right, thank you for showing
Welcome,
us.
sir. Have a good
Okay,
day. Take
bye-bye.
care. Stay safe.
Nice of him to show us around. There's the shop and there's Derby Square just up there. So I'm heading back down here near the bus station. There's a lady crying, I better turn this off. Strange, two ladies walking down the street crying. Yeah, and I think we want to go down here. Water facility there. Hello sir, I have a shirt, I'm very good, thanks. Thanks for joining me in this city of Bhaktapur. And if you like the video, do subscribe and do join us in the next one. I'm going for breakfast. Join me if you want. So I'm having a typical breakfast, samosas and a chana curry, chickpea curry.